Tíre, oríthe ag enjoytravel.co.uk.
Valóíra agus bhór géad fáilte ar naistlí teach na céimh an sus a gaiileh a ggóir Glór Tíre na híanacht. Well, tábhaid adul go cúga mún a ggóir amthór na seachtaine agus réalta na híanacht chomá agus deir siad dom go bhfuil siad a réiteach níos fearna amánathe Hibridáin agus Corky. Timmy Lawlor and Tony Stevens, tá fáilte roh. Tony, it's great to have you back.
It's very nice to be back.
I think we missed you last year. How long have you been on the road now?
A bit too long, I think. A little bit too long. I'd say about, could be close to about 25 years.
By God, plus tax, I suppose.
We leave the tax out.
But you're still enjoying it?
Still, I love the business.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd be here only for the business. It's keeping me going all the time.
I was talking to fellas earlier on in the pub in Galway when I was drinking coffee, and I was telling them that you were down here. Oh, jeez, I haven't heard from him in a long time, so it's great. They were all saying it was delighted to have you back in Galway.
Well, Dahi, I have to tell you one short little story. And I was in a venue recently, and there was a poster of myself and the band, and I was waiting for the lift to go upstairs to change.
Yeah.
I had my bag and everything, and this couple with they had a baby with them, you know, and he saw the poster and he said, "Oh, is it Tony Stevens?" I thought he died a couple of years ago. And I was just about to say, no, I'm still here.
Well,
I love the business.
Well, Tony, we're going to let you get ready. I'm going to have a quick chat with this man here. I'm looking forward to listening in a while.
All right, thank you very much indeed.
Timmy, you're all excited about tonight?
Oh, very excited, absolutely. Very excited about it.
You've been playing the pub scene yourself for a long time.
I've been playing the pubs around Turris and Kilkenny and Tipperary, mostly around that area, you know, for a long, long time now, yeah. Tipping away around.
And getting a good reaction from them?
Getting very good reaction. Very good reaction in the place I play in, yeah. Absolutely brilliant.
So they'll all be tuned in tonight?
Oh, please God. Please God, hopefully they are.
And then you're looking for votes, of course.
Lots of votes.
Well, mighty stuff, Timmy. We're looking forward to this in a while. God big Timmy, Besha Lorg Voti, Rivshe Gabala, Achanish Dirta, Farhorki, he's the Stacha, Shahov, Tony Stevens.
I would send her a rose when I couldn't make it home. I was always away. She was always alone. But roses couldn't hold her tight or keep her warm in the night. And in time she slipped away. I can still hear her say, "Send me no roses, send no roses today." Ah, just like her dreams, the fragrance will soon fade away. The magic is gone, and our love has died on the vine. Send me no roses, roses can't bring her back this time. Empty arms reaching out, left so unsatisfied, needing so much to find. Love that she was denied. What she wanted was my love. Roses weren't quite enough. I remember the day when I heard baby say, "Send me no roses, send no roses today." Ah, just like her dreams, the fragrance will soon fade away. The magic is gone, and our love has died on the vine. Send me no roses, roses can't bring her back this time. Send me no roses, send no roses today. Are just like her dreams, the fragrance will soon fade away. The magic is gone, and our love has died on the vine. Send me no roses, roses can't bring her back this time. Thank you. Pretend you're happy when you're blue. It isn't very hard to do, and you will find happiness without whenever you pretend. Remember, anyone can dream, and nothing's bad as it may seem. The little things you haven't got could mean a lot when you pretend. You find a love you can share, one you can call your own. Just close your eyes and you'll be there. You'll never be alone. And if you sing this melody, you'll be pretending just like me. The world is mine, it can be yours, my friend. So why don't you pretend? You find a love you can share, one you can call your own. Just close your eyes and you'll be there. You'll never be alone. And if you sing this melody, you'll be pretending just like me. The world is mine, it can be yours, my friend. So why don't you pretend? And if you sing this melody, you'll be pretending just like me. The world is mine, it can be yours, my friend. So why don't you pretend? So why don't you pretend? So why don't you pretend? Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. This is the story of a yellow bandana, a handsome young soldier, and a girl named Rosanna. All way out west in the wilds of New Mexico, there lived a girl and a soldier who loved to sew. And every night, neath the full crimson moon above, this brave young soldier would pledge her his love. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana to wear in her hair till he's with her once more. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana, mounted his pony and rode off to war. His orders came and he had to ride west again. Seems that Apaches were causing unrest again. He kissed Rosanna goodbye as he rode away, promising this time he'd come back to stay. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana to wear in her hair till he's with her once more. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana, mounted his pony and rode off to war. back home and found that the Apaches had burned the whole village down. And 'neath the tree where he last kissed Rosanna, draped on a cross was his yellow bandana. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana to wear in her hair till he's with her once more. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana, mounted his pony and rode off to war. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana to wear in her hair till he's with her once more. He gave Rosanna his yellow bandana, mounted his pony and rode off to war. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. I'm just a plain young Irish lad, and Kerry is my home. I love to ramble down the road when my daily chores are done. It happened that one summer's eve, when fate was kind to me, I spied a young girl walking in the village of Asti. So I resolved to speak with her, to hear what she might say. I walked a little faster until I crossed her way. I stated my intentions quite plain for her to see. Then she took my hand and kissed my cheek in the village of Asti. Said she, my handsome fellow, I'm glad we chanced to meet. I've often thought about you as I walked along the street. If you think I'll make you happy, then I'll gladly go your way. And we'll speak with Father Murphy and name our wedding day. The priest, he spoke of love and life and blessed our hearts as one. He wished us every happiness until life's race is run. We walked the aisle with love's sweet smile for all the world to see. Then we headed out for Kathleen's house in the village of Asti. And now we have a little house and lovely children too. We'd love to have your company if you're ever passing through. We sing a song, we'll talk a while and have a cup of tea. For we know you love the life we live in the village of Asti. Oh, you know you love the life we live in the village of Asti.
Se Tony Stevens an son agus push me tille ó Tony níos derní. Mar an istíireach ó mohorna seachtainna take an clear fad ó Hebredarn leis an árán any song. Seachóibh Timmy Lawlor.
You fill up my senses like an eye in the forest, like the mountains in the springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses, come fill me again. Oh, come let me love you, let me give my life to you. Let me drown in your laughter, let me die in your arms, let me lay down beside you, let me always be with you. Oh, come let me love you, come love me again. Oh, come let me love you, let me give my life to you. Let me drown in your laughter, let me die in your arms, let me lay down beside you, let me always be with you. Oh, come let me love you, come love me again.
Any song and son ó mohorna seachtainna so Timmy Lawlor agus mahastíon webse ag baile vóta a chahabh agus a húirt Timmy is féidir sinna dhéanamh in istíireach tá a línta vótála Roscoil gandát na hebide chuile fáil a gcónaí TG Cahar stad a hís ná dunig í dearú ga chuir a vótálan se bheith baile deis úntach ag dunig dúis úntach a vótan chomá. Go míad na tuile ó Timmy Lawlor agus Tony Stevens a good dó díireach an ag na vógraí seo.
Glór Tíre, oríthe ag enjoytravel.co.uk.
Thank you for being so special. Thank you for the way that you care.
Mercy is a new way to say thank you. 8 delicious varieties of chocolate in one unique collection.
Thank you for the way that you make me smile. Thank you for making my life worthwhile.
Merci for being you.
Today and every day, the goodness of Brennan's bread is delivered fresh from us to you. Brennan's, today's bread, today.
If you buy one more Love Irish Food brand every time you shop, you can make a real difference. Love Irish Food. One more makes all the difference.
Fancy flying with Aer Lingus to Paris from only $29.99? Or how about Barcelona from only $29.99? Fares start from only $29.99 one way, including taxes and charges, in the massive Aer Lingus sale. Don't miss out on savings to over 30 European routes from Dublin and Cork. So for fares that won't cost you your shirt, Book now at aerlingus.com. Aer Lingus. Enjoy your flight.
Breast milk is perfect for your baby. Nothing compares to it. One of its many benefits is that it feeds the friendly bacteria in your baby's tummy. How time flies by. If you decide to move on from breastfeeding, choose Aptamil Follow-On Milk to help support your baby from the inside, so he's ready to take on life on the outside. Aptamil Follow-On, supporting your baby from the inside.
Ó haach Malachi manisteir chuinte chun den chláir, tu go gan trí na seachtainna seo gá láiriú ag máiríní ráda.
Glór Tíre, oríthe ag enjoytravel.co.uk.
Shabur get fáilte naiscadí cuidadó de Glór Tíre na híanach. Be bit fáil tuairim na Multóí an creiltóir le radio hen, John Creedon an Tauránaí, agus a múnteoir ceol, Catrína Hulváin, agus Sé Healy. Feiceán Tamalín, ach ribh sin ar fad bhil ó mthór na seachtainna sa Timmy Lawlor le Tony Stevens ar na seachtainna agus siomar a dearg Glór.
Tim's going to be a good one. The lads are getting everything prepared.
Absolutely delighted, absolutely, yeah.
Well, Timmy Lawlor leis gorciach Tony Stevens agus a bhana ceol the Rusty Roosters agus iad a réiteach go chuidim ceol im lá clia. Tá ard bheas ag Timmy ar a stíl ceol agus riime déir an deise áil a bheith an ardan le Tony ar Glór Tíre.
And he's going to give us a hand so that we'll have a right good song for you.
Right. That's right.
And hopefully everything will work out well. So what were you thinking yourself, Tim? What would you feel comfortable with?
Maybe something like the Everly Brothers or something like that, or something onto that maybe, or the Bellamy Brothers we were talking about earlier.
Oh, right, yeah, they have
good songs, yeah.
Let Your Love Flow or something like that,
or Seven Spanish Angels.
He could hear the riders coming. He said, "This is my last fight. If they take me back to Texas, they won't take me back alive." There were 7 Spanish angels at the altar of the sun. They were praying for the lovers in the valley of the gun. When the battle stopped and the smoke cleared, there was thunder from the throne, and 7 Spanish angels took another angel home. That's it. That's quite fairly nicely.
Leis an árán walking in the sunshine, Tony Stevens agus am mthór na seachtainna sa Timmy Lawlor.
Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Put a smile upon your face as if there's nothing wrong. Think about a good time had a long time ago. Think about forgetting about your worries and your woe. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Where the weather be rain or snow, pretending to make it real. A snowy pasture, a green and grassy field. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Put a smile upon your face as if there's nothing wrong. Think about a good time had a long time ago. Think about forgetting about your worries and your woe. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Pasture of green and grassy fields. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Put a smile upon your face as if there's nothing wrong. Think about a good time had a long time ago. Thinking about, forgetting about your worries and your woe. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song. Walking in the sunshine, sing a little sunshine song.
Well, John, the Galty Mountain Boy, Canon Chin.
Indeed, well, it's Corkíoch Misha, so they can on or Clushin go will led us to Bedarn, so more him plucked. I feel I should be marking him.
Hard.
You know,
come on.
No, better go me grows began in crewing this low so shrank no doors garage steel less gulige. Better steel eske. Maybe the Gucci is fair, August sort talk come kind of gan say her gan straw again. Agus the handing on duet gomor vorlum, you know, le Tony Stevens touches Glór Tíre. I mean, it's Orani Sar Orani Tony le Landa Tahi Agus Farusel go Cree. So for now, up tip.
Oh, Corkíoch, John. Took a in on that shirt. Katrina.
Well, you know, ein team na John go will steal Deshvelach Eskeg Timmy ach I suppose Tom Glór Tíre specialte in it and Keiko was she Anna come sucker fad ní viner beach we, you know, ní viner greyamach godi a kiol crumb fui her. So Captain Bader, you know, gur Vader lesh Bader ní smó brí agus spiocht a cur stock Bader such as sponges. I mean, you know, feckim like a will skill eskege, but just ní smó kind of tucked ní mohu kind of ridiculous.
Agus tá sé dakar come on Bert Dowry in the duet.
Yeah.
The other would say come on to shin.
Begonin, yeah, begonin. Ach, yeah, I think just ní smó fun of Bader dumpsa. Gola mission.
Or Rob Martian.
Yeah. Calfutain shake, cut the capish done da sponsors.
Duet Glór Irunot and Taran Fain, I was seeing Kushi the Shake. Ach, Sakate Tar, the Rinstay Lone Star State of Mind, the Hansi in the Morlum. Ach, Gershi Nis Ganahu, and Fun in Aspa.
Well, and out Benigib Turum the Multoriach Ton Court to give shake a balla Tonalin to vote tall or Ruskelt, or it's not didn't get the road that would have vote tall and she a balla Tadeshiga Dunigib, douche own to vote well ton, rail taster and starcher, or Nash, good Tony Stevens.
Very old friend came by today, and he was telling everyone in town of the love that he just found. And Marie's the name of his latest fame. He talked and talked, and I heard him say that she had the longest, blackest hair, prettiest green eyes anywhere. And Marie's the name of his latest flame. And though I smiled, the tears inside were burning. I wished him luck, and then he said goodbye. He was gone, but still his words kept returning. What else was there for me to do but cry? Would you believe that yesterday that girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally? And Marie's the name of his latest flame. Though I smiled, the tears inside were burning. I wished him luck, and then he said goodbye. He was gone, but still his words kept returning. What else was there for me to do but cry? Would you believe that yesterday that girl was in my arms and swore to me she'd be mine eternally? And Marie's the name of his latest flame. Oh, Marie's the name of his latest flame. Yes, Marie's the name of his latest flame. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. dancing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to meet. I introduced him to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were dancing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I've lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were dancing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were dancing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed.
Off somewhere the music's playing soft and low, and another holds the one that I love so. I was blind, I could not see that you meant the world to me, but like a fool I stood and watched you go. Now I'm crying my heart out over you. Those brown eyes now, they smile at someone new. Ever since you went away, I die a little more each day. I'm crying my heart out over you. Stairs up to my room, it seems I hear you whisper in the gloom. I miss your picture on the wall and your footsteps in the hall, while I'm crying my heart out over you. Now I'm crying my heart out over you. Those brown eyes now, they smile at someone new. Ever since since you went away, I die a little more each day. I'm crying my heart out over you. Ever since you went away, I die a little more each day. I'm crying my heart out over you.
Well, tá go a bán nach mór déantagan an sa Glór Tíre a gcór na híanacht. Be mí an náis an teachtain se chún le thomthór na seachtainna se chún Elaine Gormley. Chomá leis sin réalt na seachtainna Jimmy Buckley. Ach sar a bhach míid sibh a gcór na híanacht, go míid ceann a bháin eile ó Ar Chorcaí, Tony Stevens.
Let's see you clap your hands. Love is like candy on a shelf. You want to taste and help yourself. The sweetest things are there for you. Help yourself, take a few. That's what I want you to do. We're always told repeatedly, the very best in life is free. And if you want to prove it's true, baby, I'm telling you, this is what you should do. Just help yourself to my lips, to my arms. Say the words and they're yours. Help yourself to the love in my heart. Your smile has opened up the door. The greatest wealth that exists in this world could never find what I can give. Help yourself to the love in my heart. Oh, let's really start to live. Hey! Heart is love enough for two, more than enough for me and you. I'm rich with love, a millionaire. I've so much, it's unfair. Why don't you take a share? Just help yourself to my lips, to my arms. Say the words and they're yours. Help yourself to the in my heart. Well, let's really start to live. Just help yourself to my lips, to my arms. Say the words and they are yours. Help yourself to the love in my heart. Your smile has opened up the door. The greatest wealth that exists in this world could never find what I can give. Help yourself to the love in my heart. Then let's really start to live.
Jimmy Buckley bheith sa man an cheol an tatan se thugann Glór Tíre agus tileceol meallach an nacht gan trí go de agus muidir cruúla as tacht tábharna meallachís a cuinte chun den chláir.